Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Sanrio Character Gacha Machine for free in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the Sanrio Collaborations event like this, and then in here you can earn random rewards from the event gacha, and then one of the rewards that you can get in this gacha is this adorable Sanrio Character Gacha Machine. It will look like this one, the cute gacha machine, but I'm not sure yet whether this furniture can actually be used as a real gacha machine or not, so let's test it together. But first, to get this gacha machine, first just head to the Amethyst page, this one, this area over here, Amethyst page, this one, and then after that you will find the 3 Sanrio Gacha machine over here, and its machine can only be used once per day, so you can get 3 free pulls every day. And to use this gacha machine, first just simply walk up to the machine like this, and then next just tap on this gacha icon, and just like that you will get the random rewards from this gacha machine. And if you are lucky, you will receive this Sanrio Character Gacha Machine as a furniture item. Now let's just try to place it in my house, and let's just try if it actually works. I will place this gacha machine like this, for example, and then let's just try it. And okay, I think it actually works. Let's just use it to gacha the rewards. Oh, okay. But in here I can't use it, maybe because I already do the gacha 3 times today, so I can't do gacha again for today. Maybe next day I will try it again to use this gacha machine. But I think it actually works. You can really interact with it just like a gacha machine at the Amethyst page. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!